Hi. So you probably clicked on this link because you're deciding if you want GrooveFunnels Platinum upgrade. So I am a GrooveFunnels Platinum upgrade member. It is the best option, and I'm here to just guide you through exactly what it includes. Right now, you're looking at the screen um, below this video. If you click it underneath here, you can just go in and see exactly what the Platinum upgrade includes. So if you're not familiar with GrooveFunnels, this is Mike. He's one of the co-founders. He is a former owner of Webinar Jam, and he has great experience with the funnel platform and online digital platforms. Okay, so I'm just going to go to the main points. You can go at the link below to read everything on the screen because we don't have time today for everything. So this is what you'll get if you sign up for the free plan available. So this is only for a limited time. I'm sorry about these pop-ups. Whenever someone signs up, it just pops up here. Okay, so Groove Sell is what comes with it, Groove Affiliate, and Groove Pages Lite. And then it doesn't have email leads. It doesn't capture email cart abandons and email buyers or email affiliates. So these are all leads with GrooveMail. So that's really amazing that it's all in one platform when you do the Platinum Lifetime upgrade. You do have 30 days to try it out. I recommend you hang on to it for life though. So here it's even saying it's comparable to Aweber or MailChimp, okay? And so these options for silver and gold are not available right now because they are still in their beta stage. However, you are in the perfect time to upgrade your membership because you're going to skip right from this base over here on the left into platinum. So I'm going to just go past it because see all these lines through everything that it's not included. I'm just going to go to platinum because I want to tell you everything that it does include. So also these prices for like the free basic version up here, this will end at any time. I don't have any control over when this ends. And I am an affiliate with them, and it's amazing. If you want to just click around just to get started, I did do the free version for like a day, and then I upgraded because it was just a no-brainer for me, and I didn't want to forget and then not have my website and online business built out for me, and then have to pay more later because the prices will be going up after they leave their beta stage. So also it does include Groove Sell, Groove Affiliate, and Groove Pages Lite, which means that you don't get all the upgraded features. And the affiliate program does still offer you 20% commission. Okay, so let's go. You're here for GrooveFunnels Platinum upgrade. So let's go and look at it right now. Okay. I'm just going to scroll past some of this because you want to know what is included. So you own it for life. That is the main reason that I decided to join because I don't want to make monthly payments like you have to on ClickFunnels or any of those other websites. So no ongoing payments. Like I said, you never lose account access or your data. Get all of our GrooveFunnels products. That's amazing. And this is why I really signed up, is get all of our future GrooveFunnel products. So that means if they come out with any new type of digital like offerings, like products, benefits, you get that for free when you do the platinum upgrade. You get lifetime access VIP on GrooveCon. So GrooveCon is going to be just like a Comic-Con, a meeting, I'm thinking like it might be virtual these days since we're at home more, but in person, if there is an in-person event, you get free VIP access. Okay. All of the products Groove sell. Okay. So you can have Groove affiliate. That's what we're going over right now. So with Groove affiliate, you get 40% commission. So this is like a really easy platform, product, and service to promote because it's a very user-friendly platform and website builder. I am not a digital marketer, and I have complete control over building my own website. It's like click here, insert here, and even their expert mode, if you click on it, I'll show you. It's very user friendly. Okay, so we have Groove Pages Pro. So that just means you have the pro features on your page. Groove Mail. So the stars are all things that are just only for the upgraded members, okay? So Groove Mail, Groove Member, Groove Video. You have email leads, email cart abandons, email buyers, and email affiliates. We also have the future apps in gold, Groove Blog, Groove Desk, Groove Survey, Groove Quiz. So anything with Groove before, it's just their branding for the upgraded version of that product. So basically, you're going to have access to building a blog. You can make an e-desk, a survey, a quiz. This is all in one location, so you're not having to build these things separately. You can all go to your platform and build it together. Okay, so it also has instant access to Groove Cart for e-commerce. So if you're selling actual products like, I don't know, interior design, art, any handmade items, or just anything like if you're a Shopify person selling in Shopify, this e-commerce website is amazing. They also include Groove webinars and live webinars. So like I said, Mike, he's the co-founder of GrooveFunnels, and he used to co-own Webinar Jam. So he knows about this. And actually he knows about all of this, but just wanted to let you know he does have some clout and understanding of digital platforms and how to make them function. Groove webinars, automated webinars. So you can do automated ones too. And then their new app, Groove Pages for Shopify. You guys, this is like so much information. Don't feel like you have to take all of this in, but I just want you to know this is how powerful this platform is. We have over 80,000 members as of now signed up with our system. You can see people are joining here on the left. Okay, so you get 40% commission, as I said, if you're an affiliate. So if you want to promote this and help your friends in e-commerce or with their online business, this is great for coaches. You can do all kinds of things on GrooveFunnels. You also get paid at 10%, like if someone under you is promoting it and they use your link. This is all word of mouth promotion, and this is a really genius way to launch a business in beta. So this might not last forever either. So this is something that is being offered right now to get the word out, but it's a really amazing thing. And once you lock it in, this is what you get for life. And then of course you get a non-promotional affiliate bonus. So this is amazing. And I don't know exactly what that is. I'll let them tell you when you sign up. So you'll have to look into that. Then you have options on how you want to pay. You can do $0 today and 3 easy payments of $4.97, 6 payments of $2.88, or 12 payments of $1.88. I did the $13.97 for lifetime access because I saved 35%. I'm on track right now. I mean, to really, this has already paid for itself, the $13.97. It's been less than a week. I'm not actually doing much as far as marketing so far, but I'm about to launch into it. And that's kind of why I'm here to share all this information with you, because I want you to have an educated decision. Okay, I am not going to go over all of these things that come with it because you can see it's really in depth. You can click on the link below and then decide if you want to upgrade. If you have any type of online business, if you have any type of following, even if you don't, I don't have a following. I just shared this on my personal Facebook page and had people sign up. I just said, hey, I found this amazing platform and I think that it might be useful to you. There's a free page set up if you'd like to try, or you can upgrade and have all of the features. So this page has a lot of information and also, testimonials on how amazing it is. I'm building my site with them right now. I'm going to just go to a couple other things for you here. So this is when you log into GrooveFunnels. So if you're an affiliate, this is going to be where you start. On the left-hand side is all of your options, and so amazing. I love it. I can't say enough about it. Okay, and then we're going to go here. So this is your affiliate dashboard. Here's just some of the commissions that I have made so far. It breaks it down by date. I won't go into all of these because it'll show the names of people who have signed up with me. However, it's very easy to access your links. So I want to show you, once you upgrade to platinum and you want to be an affiliate, and by the way, the website is powerful enough on its own. If you just want to sign up to create your own website, it's unlimited sites as long as you are upgraded to the lifetime access. It will be a monthly payment soon. So we're going to go here. So click here for affiliate. Let me see if I can zoom in. Well, I'll zoom in just a second. Then we go to promos on the left. Now, you're going to click on promotions and links. Actually, you don't even need to click on it. It's already here. So as you can see, here is where your affiliate links are. It'll even pop up and say affiliate links. It's a little chain. Click there, and I'm going to give you, this is as soon as you sign up. You don't have to do anything. Your affiliate links are automatically populated as soon as you sign up with GrooveFunnels. So this is like an amazing marketing tool if you are an affiliate marketer, if you have a digital platform, if you have a coaching business. This is an amazing opportunity to help your clients create their first website, upgrade their website, or save money. So here's all your affiliate links right here. And you can just click on the pink button and it's copied down here. It says affiliate link copied to your clipboard. Let me zoom in some because I had it zoomed out for some reason. Here you go. So now you can really see everything. So I started here. This is where the link is. And then you just go in here. This is just my commission for a short period of time. Like I said, when you go to your home affiliate page, you can switch the dates around and see what your commission is for 30 days, 90 days, longer period of time. But yeah, just click here, copied, and then you can paste it anywhere you need to promote your platinum upgrade link. So it's a really powerful platform, 40% commission, and also you have all the bells and whistles for yourself to succeed. If you have any type of online business or even an in-person business, you can start promoting yourself online since things have changed. And that's it. Thank you so much, and click the link below to get started.